Chick-fil-A Mullins Crossing. And so obviously Chick-fil-A is a nationally known brand, but we want you to share a little bit about what's going on here specifically at Chick-fil-A Mullins Crossing.
Yeah, at Chick-fil-A Mullins Crossing, we are running ourselves through a remodel where we are going to expand the size of our kitchen and redo the interior of our dining room so that we can offer a more efficient and remarkable service for our customer coming through.
And you also mentioned dual drive-through lanes though as well to expedite the process there.
Yes, it's going to be so exciting. We're going to have a double drive-through with an awning that will protect our guests from the elements and also be able to affect better customer service, and that is coming to us in May.
Well, that's awesome. We look forward to seeing your new look, and we certainly appreciate you being a part of the chamber. So if you don't mind, share with us a little bit about your reasons behind deciding to join.
Yeah, so we love to join the Augusta Chamber because it is just a great community outreach. It really has a good finger on the pulse of what is happening in Augusta. They do some great research and provide us with some great connections to other business leaders in the community.
Well, we certainly appreciate your membership and not only just paying your dues, but the way that you've really dived in and gotten involved. You chair our ambassador committee, you're serving on our women in business committee, so we really appreciate your volunteerism and the fact that you don't just pay your dues, you actually really do get involved and contribute, and so thank you for that. What would you say to a business that may be considering joining the chamber?
Yeah, the chamber is a great resource to be able to meet business owners that are your same size and same value. If you are a big company looking to invest in anything from employment to growing, they've got great tools to help you to do that, as well as just meeting businesses that are small that can help you at the events that are held.
Well, thank you so much for your time today, and we appreciate you being a member.